Right, the situation that we had was a major fire in the conservatory, which then set fire to the front room and the bedroom upstairs, and was completely devastated by smoke damage. And the Ideal company came in and took all the weight from our shoulders and sorted everything out for us, including hotels and moving us into a temporary accommodation. Initiated builders who were absolutely brilliant and brought the house back to normal. Then the Ideal company sorted everything out for us insurance wise, and that was absolutely brilliant.
Thank you very much, Ken.